Food storage. How long can you keep beef steak, all cuts, including chuck, sirloin, flank, ribeye, strip, tenderloin, round, shoulder, porterhouse, T-bone, filet mignon, cooked? How long does cooked steak last in the fridge or freezer? The precise answer to that question depends to a large extent on storage conditions. Refrigerate steak within 2 hours of cooking. To maximize the shelf life of cooked steak for safety and quality, refrigerate the steak in shallow airtight containers or wrap tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil or plastic wrap. Properly stored, cooked steak will last for 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. To further extend the shelf life of cooked steak, freeze it. Freeze in covered airtight containers or heavy-duty freezer bags, or wrap tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil or freezer wrap. How long does cooked steak last in the freezer? Properly stored, it will maintain best quality for about 2 to 3 months, but will remain safe beyond that time. The freezer time shown is for best quality only. Cooked steak that has been kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. How long does cooked steak last after being frozen and thawed? Cooked steak that has been thawed in the fridge can be kept for an additional 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator before cooking. Steak that was thawed in the microwave or in cold water should be eaten immediately. How long does cooked steak last at room temperature? Bacteria grow rapidly at temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooked steak should be discarded if left for more than 2 hours at room temperature. How to tell if cooked steak is bad? The best way is to smell and look at the steak. Signs of bad steak are a sour smell and a slimy texture. Discard any steak with an off smell or appearance. Do not taste first. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.